growth mindset. Math side, maniac, Panthers. Let's go. Circle graphs with percents. It's a lot of fun. Reminds me of pizza. Matter of fact, our lesson's going to involve pizza. Oh, I'm hungry now all of a sudden. Circle graph shows results of a survey that has 70 people. And down below, they say how many people take the bus to the city park. So this is Methodist Transportation City Park. 70 people. Where's the bus? The bus is 40%. So this is what they're giving us. They're giving us the percent. So I just prop that down right here. They're giving us the total. That's how many total people there are. 70. I'll put that right in here with the formula. That's the whole, aka total. So the whole circle represents 70 people. Sorry, not percent, 70 people, not 70%. There we go. The percent. So what is 40% of 70? 40% of 70. That's like this. 40% of is always multiplication of 70. So that'll give us the part that we're looking for. And like magic, there it is. 2,800. 2,800 what? What was that question? Let's see if that makes sense. How many people take the bus to the city park? Oh, 2,800 people take the bus. Wait a minute. How many total people were there to start with? 70? And out of those 70, 2,800? No, that doesn't make sense. What did we forget to do? Look at this. In the formula, it says the percent as a fraction or a decimal. Did I use that as a fraction or a decimal? If I wanted to use it as a fraction, it's 40 out of 100 because that's what percent is per 100. Or I can say decimal, which I like better, is, well, 40. I just have to multiply it by 100. So 40 times 100. Oh, wait a minute, not multiply by 100. I need to divide it by 100 to get a decimal. Yeah, because if I multiply, it's going to be extra zeros. It's going to be even bigger. So let's divide. It's 40 hundredths. How do you write 40 hundredths? You write it, there it is, 40 hundredths. That's it, 40, and it's in the hundredths place, so 40.40. Or you can just say, move the decimal over 2 times. 1, 2. So, what do I need to do here? Put a decimal here, and then just move the decimal over in my answer 2 times. 1, 2. Or you could say, well, let's erase this just to kind of be more clear here. Now the decimal is here. It's no longer in the back. It's 28. That's the answer, is 28. So let's clarify that first. 28 is the answer, and it's not a percent. So I'm just going to make it, let's see, we haven't used orange. 28 is the answer. So that's how many people take the bus. Take the bus. I missed the bus. I missed the bus, and that is something that we'll never do again. So 40% equals 28 people out of 70 people. And what was I going to say over here? Oh yeah, that's it. Decimal digits. How many decimal digits do we have when we're multiplying 70 times 40? A 1 decimal digit, 2 decimal digit. So how many decimal digits should we have in our answer right here? A 1 decimal digit, a 2 decimal digits. All right, 400. Okay, in this garden, it has a bunch of stuff. 400 of the things in there are trees, but it also has some shrubs, some cacti, shrubs, and cacti. According to the circle graph, how many trees? Box that in. How many trees are in the garden? Okay, well, 38% of them are trees. So let's put the 38. Now I'm not gonna mess up like it this time. I know it says as a fraction or decimal, so I know I just got to put this here. It's 0.38. That's how the decimal form is 38%. 0.38 is the same thing as 38% as far as we're concerned right now. All right, for these kinds of problems. So out of all the things that are in this garden, how many of them are trees? That's going to be what we get right here. So we're just going to multiply 0.38 times 400. So after doing the calculations, I get 152. See, what I did is I took 400 times 0.38, and I just said, that's the same thing as 38 times 4. If we kind of disappear these zeros for a moment and disappear that decimal just for a moment. So this is what I get. I get 15,200, and I just kind of plug that right back over here. I put my zeros back on, I put my decimal back in, there's 2 decimal digits, voila, 152 are trees. 152 of all of these plants out of the 400 total are trees. Pizza. Okay, speed round. You eat half a pizza. What percentage is that? You split it with your partner, 50-50. You each get 50%. Let's say you have divided by 4 people. What do each of you get? Each of you get 25%. That's 1/4, right? How many quarters are in a dollar? 4 quarters. How many cents is a quarter? 25 cents, 25%. Next, this is how pizzas normally come, divided into 8 pieces. So if you eat 1 slice, what percentage are you eating? Well, whatever it is, you know it's less than 25%. Well, check this out. We can divide this thing and look at it this way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you eat 4 slices, that's 50%. Okay. If you eat 2 slices, that's 1/4. And what do we say 1/4 is? 25%. So if you just eat 1 of those slices, that's half of 25%, which is 12.5. So if you eat 1 slice, you're eating 12.5% of that pizza. And finally, if you break it down into 10 slices, each slice is worth 10%. 10%, 10%. So 20% would look something like this. What if you had 5 people and you had to divide it? You can slice it up into 10 slices and each person would get 2 of them. Or you could slice it up into 5 slices. What would that look like? That would look like right here. So that's 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 100% of a pizza. That's what I'm gonna take. You can get the rest. I love it. Okay, we surveyed. Oh, blue. 25% blue. Right away, I don't need to go further. Why? Because I know what 25% looks like. You did that back here. It looks like this. It's 1/4. So which one has 25% blue? Well, not that one. That's too small. That's more like maybe 20% maybe, or 15, I don't know. This one's too small. Yeah. And, oh, what do you know? 25% blue. Ta-cha, done. In this part, they give us the part. In this question, they give us the part, which is 42. In this question, they give us the part 42 right here. So I'm going to put 42 right here, because that is the part. They want to know what is the count in all. So what they want to know, how many birds should he count in all? That makes me think total. That's what they're trying to find out. So we just pop it in. So we're saying here 42 equals 0.35. Remember to change it to the decimal version. So we're saying 0.35 times something gives us 42. So I just rewrote it over here as a division problem. 0.35 times a something equals 42. So what do we multiply 0.35 by to get 42? That's division. So 42 divided by 0.35 is, all right, I'm getting a calculator. 42 divided by 0.35, 35 hundredths, which is 35 out of 100, 35% equals 120. 120 birds total, and 42 of them are sparrows. And you can use that information to find out how many robins there are, woodpeckers, and so on. So much fun. That's it, Panthers. Peace out, pride, passion, purpose.